Will and going to express future time, and they often have the same meaning. It will snow tomorrow and it is going to snow tomorrow have the same meaning. Will most of the times expresses predictions about the future. It does not take final s, and it is often followed by a simple form of a verb. Will plus not is won't. For example, the snow won't melt soon. Will plus subject plus verb is used to make questions. For example, will it be icy tomorrow? It will be icy tomorrow. The question is, will it be icy tomorrow? Yes, it will. It will be icy tomorrow. No, it won't. It won't be icy tomorrow. You can also add WH questions to will. For example, who will get us home? Why won't they come? How will you do it? So these are the question forms with WH question and why. And contraction forms are apostrophe plus LL. It'll be cold tonight. It will be cold tonight. I'll help you do it. I will help you do it. You'll be fine, don't worry. So these are a couple of basic things about will, and now let's talk about going to. We also use going to talk about predictions. For example, snow is going to continue all week. This is a prediction. Snow is going to. Be plus not plus going to is used to make negative sentences. I'm not going to go out. Guys, I make one sample sentence. You try to make 5. For every tip, try to make 5 examples. Take out your notebook and write down 5 examples to master it. So for negative, use be plus not plus going to. I'm not going to go out. And for question, be plus subject plus going to. Subject is the doer. Is the storm going to be dangerous? Are they going to join us? Is the movie going to be launched tonight? Now let's talk about the differences. Will and going to. What are the differences? Let's go. It will snow tomorrow. It is going to snow tomorrow. They both are predictions about future. So whenever we want to make predictions about future, we can either use will or going to. No difference. However, there are differences between will and be going to in different situations. A says, I'm going to paint my bedroom tomorrow. So he is going to paint his bedroom tomorrow. B says, oh, I'll help you. So A uses going to and B uses will. Why? What is the difference? Well, we use going to talk about prior plans. To talk about prior plans. If something is planned, for example, now you decide that you will do something in the future. If something is part of your plan, you are going to do it. It's a plan. So we use going to talk about plans. And B says, oh, I'll help you. Here, B is not planning anything. He is willing to do it, or it's type of offer. We use all to talk about willingness when you like to do something in the future, or offers when you offer to do something in the future. It's not a plan. You decided to do it at the moment. So when you decide to do something right now, use will. I tell you, it's hot here. And then you say, I'll open the window. Okay, you don't say, I'm going to open the window. It's not a plan. At the moment, you are willing to do it, or you are offering to do it. So you use will. I'll help you. At the moment, you decided right now. So we use going to talk about plans, and will to talk about the decisions we make at the moment. For example, A says, I'm going to paint my bedroom. B says, oh, I'll help you. And then C asks B, what are you going to do tomorrow? B says, I'm going to help A paint his bedroom. Why he said I'm going to? Because he has decided. In here, he says, I'll help you. But in here, now it is a plan. So he is going to help. Another example, we need to wash the car. I'll wash it. Man, we need to wash the car. B is going to wash it, don't worry. Here, we use all because we are deciding at the moment. But in here, now it is a plan. So we use going to. I'll wash it. B is going to wash it, don't worry. When we want to talk about the future, about something that we are going to do, for the first time, we use all. And then the next times it is a plan, so we use going to.